So this is my 1998 Chevy S-10. Here's the manual that it came with. Look, they're at the Peach Pit or something like that, 90210 style. I don't drive it very often. In fact, I load up the back and then when it gets full, I take it to the dump. But in the meantime, it sits here for several weeks at a time. And so I had to put a kill switch on it. And so when I want to drive the thing, I just turn the kill switch on, right? Off, on. And that's where I needed to get those cables. Hold on, let me prop this up real quick. Okay. So here's my battery. And then here is the first cable. That's the first one that I did, right, with the soldering. And then the second one is just underneath it, right there. So I bought one cable, and then I put the kill switch, move this thing out of the way, put the kill switch right there. There it is. Anyhow, I just took one cable, I cut it in half, and then I put two terminals on the other side. And this thing has been like this for 1 year and 9 months. It hasn't come loose. It hasn't broken the cables or melted apart. It's been just fine. And I've driven it, I don't know, several times to California, which is a 250-mile trip. And it's been like that for the last 1 year and 9 months. So it's working just fine.